Hey, we're here in the old town in Antalya and we're having a very good time.
We're out here in Antalya and we're having a really good time. We've been walking in the sun for a while and now I can assume you know where we're going to. So let's go. This is not my bike, but if it was my bike, that would be really cool. We've been walking quite a lot now in the old town of Antalya and it's really hot. Also we're getting a bit hungry, so we decided to get some pizza from Luna Garden. So let's go. Alright guys, here we have a beautiful cat in the old town of Antalya. We're gonna get its opinion on, I'm not sure, but let's get its opinion. Wow, look how they're climbing there. Excuse me, sir. Can you please tell me about what you're doing in there? What do you do in there? Taking drugs? It seems like they're not available for comment. Let's move on.
Showing me gang signs.
So can you tell us what we have right now?
We're having iced mango green tea. It's delicious. It has a piece of dry orange in it. Gives it kind of nice orangey flavor. It's missing mint, however, but it's still a really good and delicious, yummy.
This is the delicious mixed pizza. There's mushroom, sausage, pepper.
So good.
How does it make?